Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to cover vendor invoices with net procedure and then shall see manual payments of invoices. Vendor invoices can be posted by using two document type. One is KR and other is KN. We have already discussed KR in our previous AP sessions. So KR for normal invoices and KN document type is for invoices with net procedure. Now, what is these invoices with net procedures? Now, this will come into existence when under payment terms, the discount component arises. In other words, a cash discount is applied on the invoice whenever the first entry is being posted. Like our vendor, we have purchased goods worth rupees 10,000 and he has put on condition that if we make payments within 10 days, if we make payments within 10 days, we shall be getting a discount of 5%. Okay, in this case, a discount would be 500 rupees and the net payment that we have to do is 9,500 rupees. Fine, this will be a discount. Now, these kind of discounts are called as cash discounts, and normally at the normally we book our inventory with after discount amount, like we shall be booking our purchases with 9,500 rupees. So what will be the journal entry? In this case, a journal entry would be purchase account debited, that is 10,000 rupees, to our vendor account. We shall credit vendor account, sorry, our purchase account would be 9,500, as after discount it was coming 9,500. Our vendor account would be credited by 10,000 rupees as we have not made payment yet, right? This is a cash discount. It may be possible that we make payment after 10 days. So we credit our vendor account with 10,000 and a new account would be generated. That will be a debit account. Na? A debit account would be generated, that is cash discount clearing account. So this is kind of a provision account that we will get discount only when we make payment within 10 days. Okay, this is at the time of invoicing. So at the time of invoice entry in our SAP system, we shall be making a kind of a provision, a cash discount clearing account. By making a cash discount clearing account, that 500 rupee discount we will get in case we make payment within 10 days. And what will be the entry at the time of payment? At the time of payment, the vendor debited with rupees 10,000 to bank. Now bank, if we make payment timely, then my bank account, I shall only be paying 9,500 and automatically my cash discount clearing account would be credited. The net entry would be purchase to bank, that is of 9,500, 9,500. I hope this is clear. Now, in case an additional term added, for example, that if uh, if we pay after 10 days but within 20 days, we will be getting discount of 2% instead of 5%. then in this case, what will be the scenario? Our bank, we would pay less 2%, that is, I think, 200 rupees. So less 2%, this will be 9,800, and there would be an additional entry of cash discount lost account with rupees 300. Okay, and this would not be my balance sheet account, this would be my profit and loss account. Why this has happened? Because at the beginning I planned, or I was determined that I will make payment within 10 days, but due to some circumstances, the days were exceeded, few days were exceeded, but still I would get discount of 2%. Okay, so the discount that I lost was also considered, and this account would be my P&L account rather than my clearing account. Okay, now in order to make these payments and to make these entries uh, possible, we need to make some backend configuration. I have done those backend configuration, but still I would show you everything in the system. So for this, how many accounts do we need? Number one, we need to make a cash discount clearing account. This would be my balance sheet account. Then I need to make a cash discount lost account. This would be a P&L account. And two more account I would be making. My discount receive account in case I receive any discount. So this will also be my P&L account, and discount lost account at the time of clearing. This would also be my P&L account. So we need these four accounts in a system in order to do the backend configurations. I have already created this account and I have done the backend configurations, but I will show you in the SAP system. This is my SAP Easy Access screen, FS00. So first thing what we need to do is to create the four accounts. This is not my company. So under clearing account, I have already created this cash discount clearing account. Let's just open and see what all thing I have posted in it. So my account type is balance sheet account, clearing account, cash discount clearing account. Then INR, this will be my open item management account. Why? Because this will keep me updated or continuously remind me that some payments are due. Then G012 receivables and payables clearing, and I want the posting to be done is automatically. So the post automatically only option is being selected. And then there are three more accounts. One is indirect account, that is discount received. It will be just like my income account. So I have created under non-operating expense or income as an indirect income, discount received account, normal G029 I have selected revenue account, and also have select post automatically option under this also. So there are two more account. Then we have cash discount lost account. This will be my normal non-operating expense or income account, other expenses, cash discount account. I hope the creation of GL account is clear to all. So I'm not covering it right now because I've already posted a video for same. Okay, post automatically we have selected because we shall be linking all these account or assigning these account under backend configurations. And then we have discount lost account. It is also a same kind of account, a non-operating expense account. We have given it INR, account currency, that is our company code currency also, sort key 001, that is posting period, and field status group is G0001, that is for general. But we have opted post automatically option. So the 4 accounts I have created. Now what we need to do is to do some backend configuration. We shall be going under customization screen. So I've done the configuration. I'm showing you the path. Under financial accounting, account receivables and payables, business transactions, incoming invoices, credit memos. We have already covered maintain payments terms and everything. The next thing is define account for net procedure. So the clearing account that we have entered, or we need to assign that account here. So let me just check my FS00. So my clearing account is 9501, cash discount clearing account. I have assigned this cash discount clearing account here, and we just need to save it. The next thing we need to assign is under outgoing payments global settings. Now define accounts for lost cash discount. In case we lose cash discount, uh, this we booked 500 as a cash discount, but somehow we could only cover 200 out of it. That means the 300 we lost on due to our ignorance or maybe due to circumstances. So this cash discount lost account shall be assigned here. 2302, my indirect expenses, other expenses, cash discount lost is 2302. 2302. Next is define account for cash discount taken. Again, the same account I will mention, 2302. Okay. Lastly, we need to cover the clearing differences as well. Therefore, under business transaction, we need to go to open item clearing. Under this clearing differences, define accounts for clearing differences. So in case we have some clearing differences, then these accounts shall be used. I have already assigned the accounts 2303. That is my discount lost account in case I am losing the discount, and 1000 in case of 1000, that is my indirect income account, discount receive account, and shall be saving it. So these were the backend configuration. I have covered it quickly because I want to give more time for posting the entries, as well as we need to cover the manual payment method. So now let's post one entry using these configuration F-43. Now the one thing I have to change is the document type. The document type would be KN, net vendors. Fine. My vendor is 6. Now let's do the entry of 20,000. I have to change my payment term because one is pay immediately. Let's select this within 14 days, 2% cash discount we will be getting. Okay. Rent due. My posting key would be 81 as this is my cost account. Rent expenses. Terms of payment change. Amount shall be same. Cost centers, I have to add a cost center because it's a cost element. Let's simulate it and see what the result we are getting. So now 14% discount. If we pay within 14 days, we are getting 2% discount. That is 400. We have not entered any cash discount entry. Automatically, it got fetched because we have done all the back end assignment properly. Now, this is how my entry will look. Let's save it. So my document number 33 is posted. Let us go and see it on our vendor list. FBL 1N is for my vendors. So vendor line item display, I would just post six, open items, execute. So my 20,000 entry is here. 33, my document number is 33, that is posted. 20,000. Right now, the vendor account is credited by full amount, but my rental account would be by less by discount. It must have been posted less with discount. So the vendor account is posted with 20,000, but how much I need to pay? I need to pay 400 rupees less in this case. Now let's start with payment entries, outgoing payment entries. I want to cover that part as well. Now the payment, especially the payment, there are two modes of payment. We can do manual payment as well as automatic payment. The automatic payment shall be covered in next sessions. So under manual payment, we can do payment by three. The payments can be done in three phases. One is full payment. Then we can do a partial payment. And then a residual payment. So what is difference? Full payment is fine. If we make the full payment, we can clear the account immediately. But in case we are making partial payment, there are two options. One is partial payment, other is residual payment. Now, in case of partial payment, what happens? Partial payment, in case of partial payment, the entire transaction shown as uncleared or shown as open item till the full payment is done. Okay, while in case of residual payment, it clears the payment done and only show the balance amount of open item. Let us take an example and we would do the entries. So let's consider, let me just open all item in case there are some cleared entries, so it will be very difficult for us. So like okay, we shall be taking an entry. Let's make a, I think here we have a credit memo of 10,000 and an invoice of 30,000. KG is for credit memo. Okay, so let's consider this. So we have a 30,000 payment due and also have a credit memo of same 10,000. So we need to make a 20,000 payment entry. But what we will do, we will just make a 10,000 payment entry under partial payment method. F-53 is the T code for outgoing payment. So 7th is the date, pay 1. My bank account is HSBC Bank. The amount is 10,000. It was, I suppose, 8,02,000. Process open items. Now see, this is my standard. I will go to partial payment. Okay. Under this, we shall select all and then deactivate items. So all the items are deactivated. Now I'll be selecting this 30,000, 10,000. See, my amount assigned is 20,000. Why? Because 30,000 minus 10,000, this is my credit memo that is available. Uh, the balance payment was 20,000, but I'm not making a payment of that 20,000. I'm just making payment of 10,000. So let me just change this to 10,000 balance. Sorry, 20,000. So now see, the amount entered is 10,000. I'm making the payment, out of which I'm considering a credit memo of 10,000 and considering 10,000 from the amount due. Just saving it. My document 1603 is being posted. Let's refresh this. So now see, I have made a payment of 10,000, and see, there is this open there, the amount is still open in system. 30,000 is still opened in system. They are showing that I have made a payment of 20,000, though I have made a payment of 10,000, and 10,000 I settled from my credit memo that was available. So my credit memo got set off. So 20,000 is here in order to set my 30,000 entry. This is what partial payment do. It put the invoice under open item only. The internal set off is not done in partial payment. But I will, with the same example, I would just do the payment by using residual method. So my 30,000 is open, my 20,000 is open, and let's do a 5,000 rupee entry using the same invoice. Okay. To pay to, my amount is 5,000. Sorry, this would be my bank account. So now under residual payment, Now I can see the 30,000 entry. I am not able, I cannot see that credit memo entry because it got set off during our last partial payment entry. Okay, now in this case also, first I need to select all and then deselect the items. Still the balance of 5,000 is remaining. I would just enter the 5,000 amount here and see the set off is done. This means there would be a residual payment of 5,000 remaining under open item because this much amount is due. Let's simulate and see how the entry is being done in the system. So this would be the entry. Let's save it. So my 1604 entry is posted. Kindly keep this in mind. See, you can see this 30,000 here and 20,000 here. I will just refresh it and show it to you. See, now only 5,000 remaining, 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000, everything is under my cleared items. Now only 5,000 amount is pending. So what this residual payment method do? It clear everything and only the balance amount related to that invoice is shown in the open item. Rest all the amounts are shown as cleared item. While under partial payment, uh, the clearing was not done. The payment was done, but the internal set of so the last thing that I want to take up is, if few people remember, we have done an entry of 20,000 by considering 2%, that is 400 rupees discount. Now I would like to show you the payment of this invoice. This is coming under my 8,06,000, 8,06,000 vendor. Let me quickly show you one payment entry and would show you how the cash discount lost would look like. F-53 under this 7th. The account is my bank account and the amount that I have to consider is 19,600, but I will consider paying 19,700. So I'll pay 19,700. So 100 would be my discount lost. I remember my account, that is 8,006. Process open items. See here, 20,000 and 400 was discount. All items deselected. See, not assigned 100 rupees. Let me simulate and see how the entry will look. Now this is how my entry will look. The cash discount clearing account would be credited by 400 rupees. The entire amount would be credited, but the 100 rupees that we are losing would automatically go to discount lost account because we have done the backend configuration and assigned all the discount account for same. So this is how my entry will look. Let me save it. Now, this was all for today. Thank you all for listening. Have a great day.